Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn Creator Mode settings for audience. To restore your LinkedIn Creator Mode settings, begin by signing in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top left corner. Once on your profile page, locate the Open to button beneath your profile photo. Click on this button, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Creator Mode. This option may be labeled differently if it's currently turned off. If Creator Mode is disabled, you will see a prompt to enable it. Click on the Turn On button to activate Creator Mode. Once enabled, you will be redirected to a settings page specific to Creator Mode. Here, you can customize your audience growth settings. Start by selecting your preferred content topics to showcase. Choose at least 3 topics that align with your expertise. Next, add links to your blog or website if applicable. This will drive traffic from your LinkedIn profile to your external content. You should also adjust your visibility settings for your posts. Determine whether you want your content to be visible to your connections only or to the public. After making your adjustments, review your settings. Ensure that all changes reflect your goals for audience growth. Finally, save your settings by clicking the appropriate button at the bottom of the page. Your LinkedIn Creator Mode settings are now restored and optimized for audience growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.